Hello friends, welcome in YouTube channel. I am Samin Sheikh, working as assistant professor in KVN College, Nasik. Today, I will focus on gram equivalent and normality of the solution. Friends, you know that equivalent weight. When equivalent weight is expressed in terms of grams, is called as gram equivalent. Given weight is how many times of equivalent weight is called as gram equivalent. It is also called as gram equivalent weight. Equivalent. The correspond means given weight is by 1 times of equivalent weight. If 2 gram equivalent means the given weight is by 2 times of equivalent weight. 3 gram equivalent weight correspond to given weight is by 3 times of equivalent weight. Therefore, similarly, dash. A number of gram equivalent means the given weight is by n times of equivalent weight. Now friend, the formula for determination of number of gram equivalent is equal to given weight in gram upon equivalent weight. Let us discuss some problems on this basis. How many number of gram equivalent are in 73 grams of HCl? We know that the molecular weight and equivalent weight of HCl are 36.5. Therefore, by using above formula, the number of gram equivalent equal to the given weight is 73 upon equivalent weight 36.5 equal to 2. The next problems. How many number of gram equivalent are in 147 grams of sulfuric acid? We know that the molecular weight of sulfuric acid is 98, but equivalent weight is 49. Therefore, by using above formula, the given weight 147 grams upon 49 equal to 3 means the given weight is a 3 times of equivalent weight. The next example. How many number of grams of equivalent are in 31.5 grams of SNO3? Now, for SNO3, the molecular weight is 63 and equivalent weight is also 63. Therefore, by using same formula, the number of gram equivalent equal to given weight, that is 31.5 upon 63 equal 0.5. Now friends, the next example. How many number of gram equivalent in 10 grams of NaOH? The molecular weight and equivalent weight for NaOH is same. It is equal to 40. Therefore, same formula using to use the number of gram equivalent equal 10 upon 40 equal to 0.25 means the given weight is expressed by 0.25 equivalent weight. Now next example, how many number of grams equivalent in 50 grams of calcium hydroxide? Now molecular weight of calcium hydroxide is equal to 74, but equivalent weight is equal 37. Therefore, number of gram equivalent equal to given weight 50 upon equivalent weight 37 equal to 1.35. Equivalent weight is also useful to express the concentration of the solution in terms of normality. What is mean of normality? The normality means the number of gram equivalent are present in 1 liter of the solution. Therefore, formula for normality of the solution is the number of gram equivalent upon volume of the solution in liter or decimeter cube, or number of milligram equivalent upon volume of solution in milliliter. Now, on the basis of this formula, let us discuss the sum problem. What is normality? When solution containing 10 grams of NaOH in 500 ml of solution. Friends, the molecular weight and equivalent weight of NaOH solution is 40. Therefore, number of gram equivalent equal to given weight upon equivalent weight 10 upon 40, that gives 0.25. But normality by using above formula, that is the number of gram equivalent upon volume of the solution in liter. Therefore 0.25 upon 0.5 gives 0.5 n. N is a unit of the normality. When normality of the solution is 0.5, then it is also called as 0.5 normal solution. Now next example, what is the normality when solution containing 73 grams of HCl in 700 ml of solution? Similar, first we can determine the number of gram equivalent. The number of gram equivalent equal to given weight, that is 73 upon equivalent weight 36.5 gives 2. Therefore normality equal to 2 upon given volume 0.7 liter, therefore 2.8 normal. Then next, what is the normality when solution containing 147 grams of H2SO4 in 800 ml of solution? Similarly, first we determine the number of gram equivalent of the solution, that is equal to 3. Therefore normality equal to number of gram equivalent 3 upon total volume of the solution in liter, that is 0.8. Therefore 3 upon 0.8 gives 3.7 n. 3.7 n means the solution has normality 3.7. Therefore it is also called as 3.7 normal solution. Next point, friends, how to make the normal solution? It is very simple. The formation of the normal solution by two ways. The first way, in which when solute are present in the solid form, then at that time by using following formula. The formula is solute gram equal to required normality into required volume in liter into equivalent weight. Therefore, on the basis of this formula, we have tried to solve these some problems. How will you prepare 0.2 normal 300 ml NaOH solution? We know that the equivalent weight of NaOH is 40. The required normality is 0.2. The required volume is 300 ml, means 0.3 liters. Therefore, by using above formula, solute gram equal to the required normality 0.2 multiplied by required volume 0.3, that is 40, that is equal to 2.4 grams. Means take the 2.4 grams in the minimum amount of water, then this volume of the water make up to 300 ml. This is nothing but the 0.2 normal 300 ml NaOH solution. The next point, the formation of the normal solution can be also done when the solute are present either in gaseous or liquid form. at that time by using the famous formula N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. But how to obtain this formula? We know that the formula for the normality equal to number of gram equivalent upon volume of solution in return. Means normality is inversely proportional to volume. When volume is increases, normality is decreases. Therefore, normality is inversely proportional to volume. Hence, N into V equal to constant. Therefore, NV equal to N1 V1 equal to N2 V2 equal to constant. And by using such a formula to prepare the number of solution from the given solution, we know that in the laboratory the normality of the HCl is 11.65. The normality of the sulfuric acid is 36.8, and normality of this nitric acid is 15.8 normal. With the help of this solution, we can easily prepare the solution whose normality is less than the corresponding normality of the laboratory solution. How will you prepare 0.3 normal 500 ml HCl solution from lab HCl? We know that the normality of the lab HCl is 11.65 normal. Consider the volume of this solution taken for preparation as a V1. The required HCl having normality is 0.3 normal. The volume of required HCl is 500 ml. Therefore, by using N1 V1 equal to N2 V2, easily determine the value of V1. So V1 equal to 12.87 ml. Take the 12.87 ml HCl in water and make the volume up to 500 ml. The next example, how will you prepare the 0.2 normal 400 ml sulfuric acid solution from lab sulfuric acid? We know that the lab sulfuric acid having normality equal 36.8 normal. The consider the volume of this sulfuric acid as a V1, which determine sulfuric acid whose normality is equal to 0.2, consider as a N2, and volume is equal to 400 ml. Therefore, by using N1 V1 equal to N2 V2, therefore determine the value of V1, that is 2.17 ml. Therefore, take the 2.17 ml of lab sulfuric acid, dissolve into the water and make the volume up to 400 ml. That is nothing but the 0.2 normal 400 ml sulfuric acid. Okay friends, I request to you solve the number of problems on the basis of this. If any difficulty, then ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much. Take care.